sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
Yeah, hello.
Hello Flex, how are you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing great. Please, what about you?
Oh, I'm also good. Please, I want you to help me out with something. I just tried and make some $100 in my ClickBank account, but I actually don't know how I can withdraw my money because I use VPN to create my ClickBank account, and I also use fake details from fake name generator to create my account. And when I actually went through how ClickBank is going to pay me, they're actually going to pay me through either check or direct deposit. And since I also use fake details from UK to create my ClickBank account, I'm going to lose my money when I decide to withdraw my money through check. I'm going to lose my money because the address I gave to them is fake, and I'm also in Nigeria. And the direct deposit too, I don't have any bank account in UK which I can withdraw my money through. So I actually don't know what to do, and I want you to help me out.
Okay, bro, I got you. So, all your problem is you want a way to withdraw your money, right? So, we have something we call Payoneer. So, it's a financial service company. So, this Payoneer helps businesses and online sellers, freelancers, and affiliate marketers as well to pay and get paid globally as easily as they do locally. So, with this Payoneer, you are able to create a virtual bank account either in US, UK, and European bank account somewhere in Germany, and you can also order and create a Mexican account or Chinese bank account. So this Payoneer helps you get a virtual bank account which works well, and you can connect to your local bank account after that. So after withdrawing money through this virtual bank account to your Payoneer, then you transfer it later on to your local bank account. So here, I'm going to teach you how you can create a Payoneer account so that you can link to your ClickBank account as you want to withdraw your money. So my bro, stay relaxed, get some snacks, and watch this video to the end. I'm going to show you every step in order to create a Payoneer account. You're not going to jump any step, and I'm going to show you how you can get $25 after signing up with your Payoneer account. So guys, stay tuned and let's get right into the video. Guys, so I'm pleading you to subscribe to my channel if you are new, or even if you are not new but you haven't subscribed to the channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button and hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I drop awesome videos like this one. It's actually free to subscribe, so make sure you do so. So guys, you see this page, you just go to Google and type in payoneer.com and it will bring you here. So for new account, you just click on register and it's loading. So it will bring you here. Let's find the right account for your needs. But you let me show you something over here. I'm going to copy my affiliate link of my Payoneer account and open it in a new tab. The link will be in the first link in the video description. So I'm opening my link, my affiliate link of Payoneer account in a new tab to show you something before we proceed. So guys, as you can see this page, this is my affiliate link that has brought you to this page. So get paid by marketplace and direct client worldwide. So guys, as you can see over there, sign up and earn $25. So when you sign up with my link, you get $25. I didn't know of this when creating my account. So I just went to Google and type in payoneer.com and I created my account. Although you'll be able to create your account without process, but you won't get any bonus. So I was wondering, why didn't I find someone's affiliate link to sign up to and also get $25? So guys, if you want to make $25, even if you sign up, make sure you use my link in the description box. So guys, let's continue. Let's find the right account for your needs. So you select affiliate marketer, and I'm looking to one get paid by publishers, and so you select that one. Then we proceed. So it will bring you here affiliate marketing, getting paid by publishers, affiliate network, and marketing platform. So you head on and click on register. So it's loading. So after clicking on the register, it will bring you here to the sign up page where you'll be filling our forms. It's actually not difficult. It's actually simple things you are going to fill over here. So the name you want to use for this Payoneer account, you type in the first name, you type in your first name, you type in your last name. So for this account, I'll be using my mother's details to show you how you can create your Payoneer account. So you put in your email address you want to use for the Payoneer account. So you type in your email address. So I'm typing in one of my email address for my mom. So after typing, you then confirm it. So you copy it and paste it again to confirm your email address. Then you select your date of birth. So as for the date of birth, I'm going to select any random date of birth. I'm not going to use his actual or real date of birth. So as for you, you must select your actual date of birth, right? Okay. So guys, if you are new to my channel, just use a second and just hit on the subscribe button. And if you are finding this video helpful, make sure you subscribe and also smash the like button also, and leave me a comment if this video is helping you. Just give a comment that, hey Flex, thanks for this video, I appreciate it. So you select your date of birth. So after that, you click on next to proceed. So here we are, contact details. So you put in your address. So you put in your address you want, then you put in your telephone number, then you click on send code. So within a second or two, you will receive a code on your phone. So you fill in the space over there with those code. So you type in the code over there. So after that, you click on next to proceed. So we are in here to fill our security details. So you put in a strong password. As for me, I'll be using a suggested password, but make sure you put in a strong password, and you make sure you won't forget that password. So you put in your password over there, and after that, you already enter the password. So you select a security question of your choice for your account. So what's the name of the hospital your oldest child was born in? What's the street on which you grew up? So I'll select that one, and I type in the answer over there. So make sure you don't forget, in case you have issue with your account, you may be asked. So we put in, so we are next to the ID type. So you can select either you want to use your national ID, your passport, or your driver's license. For this, I'll be using my mother's national ID for this one. So you put in your national ID, then you enter the code over there. After that, you click on next. So we're almost done. We just have to put in our local bank details, and that's all. So since I'm in Ghana, I'm going to select cities. So any country you are, you select the currency over there. For the bank, I'm going to use UBA, United Bank of Africa. And for the account holder name, I'll use my name since I'm using my account details. Then I put in my account number over there. So after that, you put in the short code or your local bank code over there. So you move on and click on agree to terms and conditions. You can read it, but I can assure you that it's fair. So you click on submit. Then we are done, guys. So congratulations, your Payoneer account application has been submitted successfully. So guys, you are going to get an email from Payoneer in your email or your mail. So you just check in your mail and confirm your email address, and within 5 minutes or so. But here they are going to tell you that you will receive an email confirmation within the next several business days once your application has been reviewed. But it actually doesn't take long. So guys, this is how you can create a Payoneer account and link to your ClickBank account to receive payment. So guys, in my next video, I'm going to show you how you can link your ClickBank account to your Payoneer account, or vice versa, link your Payoneer account to your ClickBank account also, guys. So thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe the channel for me, and also smash the like button, and also leave a comment if you find this video helpful. So guys, thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video.